In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change maps in Hunter Call of the Wild PlayStation 4. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Maps in Hunter Call of the Wild are called reserves. So, officially in the game, you will be able to explore various different reserves when you go to the options. You can have some reserves automatically unlocked by default, and you can also purchase DLC exclusive reserves. This is a map featuring all of them, so you will be able to switch between any of them at any point. First, you can do it from the home screen. So before starting and going over to continue, just choose the option to select reserve. This will bring you to this menu where you can browse through all of them. So go to the left and right to see all of the reserves available. You will have a vague description of the location and what to expect alongside its climate and animals that you can hunt, so make sure to read all of this. When you choose the option to select reserve, you will spawn in on the new map and you can move around, start hunting, go to an outpost, and so on. Now, if you are already inside of the game, you can also open the map, and if you look at the bottom left, you will find the option to change reserve while playing. As you can see on this screenshot, I have it set to PC, but of course the same thing can be done on a PlayStation 4 as well. The button is going to be different. So look at the bottom left or bottom right corner of your map, I apologize, and upon looking at the bottom right corner, you will be able to see the button that you need to press to show the reserve selection. Once again, you will see this map, and you can choose between any of these reserves available. Some of them might be locked behind DLC, but you will have a variety to choose from, even if you only own the base game. So go to reserve selection when you open the map or from the home screen. I hope I was able to help you on how to change maps in Hunter Call of the Wild on PlayStation 4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.